Good morning to one and all. I welcome you once again back to IAS Academy, Current Affairs Channel, IAS News Bureau. Now we are going to discuss about PIB issue, PIB news analysis, that is Press India Bureau news analysis. And today's topic is regards to Prarak Daud Saman Award, which is being announced by Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs while launching the toolkit for Swachh Sarvekshan 2021 cleanliness survey of urban India conducted under MHUA, that is Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. This program, the program called Swachh Sarvekshan, is redesigned innovatively to ensure that the process becomes more robust with focus on sustaining the behavioral changes. Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs announced a new category of award titled Prarak Daud Saman as a part of Swachh Sarvekshan 2021. Here, government has classified this particular award into 5 categories. First one is platinum, second one is gold, third one is silver, fourth one is bronze, and fifth one is aspirin. Usually they will be selecting 3 cities, but this year they are planning to select 5 cities based on its cleanliness. In a departure from the present criteria evaluating cities on population category, this year new category will be selected based on this 6 criteria. And first such criteria is segregation of waste into wet, dry and hazard category. And second one is processing capacity against wet waste generated. Third one is processing and recycling of wet and dry waste. Fourth one will be construction and demolition waste processing. Fifth one is percentage of waste going to landfills. And the last one is sanitation status of the city. Based on the 6 indicator, weightage will be provided, and the city which is performing best among the all will be provided this Prarak Daud Saman award by Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Already they have conducted such kind of survey in 2016 where only 73 cities participated. In 2017, 434 cities participated. In 2018, 4,203 cities participated. Last year, that is 2019, 4,237 cities participated. And this year, the participation is based on number of citizens. It is now 1.87 crore citizens are participated in this particular survey. Apart from this, the significant thing which is launched by Swachh Bharat Mission has made a significant progress in area of both sanitation and solid waste management. 4,324 urban local bodies have been declared as open free defecated cities and 1,306 cities are certified as ODF plus and 489 cities were certified as ODF plus, which means out of these 4,324, 489 cities are performing best and 1,306 cities are performing to the second level. And one more thing here we need to understand is they are also providing a rating for the city. 5-star rated cities are, there are totally 6 cities which are having 5-star rated and 86 cities were 3-star rated and 64 cities were 1-star rated under rating protocol for garbage free cities. And apart from that, the city which got cleanest city award in first edition in survey is Mysore, and Indore is occupying the topmost rank, that is first rank in cleanliness, having cleanest city in the country for 3 consecutive years, that is 2017 and 18 and 19. This year, shortly the awards will be announced by Ministry of Housing and Rural Affairs. Now we came to the end of PIB news analysis. Thank you one and all.